Today, 2,000 people are getting off of the ship, but we're not. In fact, we're doing this 3 times in a row.
So let's take you through what the process looks like and why you should do a back-to-back cruise. Welcome back, everyone, to J&A Travel Day.
Hello and welcome. I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Amy.
And this is J&A
Travel Day. On the last day of the cruise, you walk past all this luggage in the hallway, knowing that you're staying on and your vacation continues. So that's just a fun part. And you might ask, what are you doing with your luggage? That's the easiest part of this whole thing.
It's phenomenal what they do. So if you're staying in the same room, you don't have to pack. You just leave your stuff, go through the Debark, re-embark process, but you're good.
And we'll show you that.
If you are changing rooms though, all you have to do, gather all your stuff up into a close quarter and then let your room attendant know your next room. They'll move it for you. It's the best process ever.
It's so flippin' easy. Even if your stuff is on hangers, they'll just move the hangers. Unpack, enjoy your room, and enjoy it your last night. Nothing has to change.
Nope.
And the best part about this back-to-back is tomorrow we get to kick these lovely people out of the Royal Suite thanks to a Royal Up we finally won. So I'm really excited. And he gets to ring the doorbell. So on to the next. Okay, so as we mentioned, have your luggage corralled and they're gonna move it for us when we're off the ship. So we have all our luggage. Don't judge the amount. We're on the ship for 17 days. But I did want to mention, remember your pumped soap, because that bar soap is going to be killer, and they had a Bath & Body Works at Panama, so we bought it. But on this one, we're not considered in transit. We have to disembark and re-embark. So we are going to meet up with the concierge, and she's going to help us get our in-transit card and our SeaPass card so that we can hop off the ship with all the guests disembarking.
Yeah, we got lucky. We roiled up. So we're in a suite for this next cruise.
Yeah.
So she's been super helpful with getting everything figured out.
Yeah. So if it happens to you, go to guest services. They'll work with you.
We have gotten our new room keys, and then we got our in-transit card. So this is our old one right here. Then we have our in-transit card to show that we're not debarking fully. We're going in transit. And then we have our new room key cards, which is for our next stateroom. And then this will allow us to get back on the ship. So we use the old key card for getting off. We use the new key card for getting on. It's going to be a great day.
So we've made it back to the port. It was a little confusing, but we got it figured out. Basically, we just showed the in-transit card as well as our new SeaPass, and they let us right through, and we didn't have to wait in the line of all the folks that are just boarding today. So super easy. Now we're just gonna make our way back, go through that lovely zoo again, and just enjoy the rest of our day. Okay, so we just got into the room, and as promised, everything arrived. Thank goodness. And now we just get to freshen up after getting back on the ship. So our last back-to-back process was a little weird. I think this is going to be a more traditional back-to-back process.
Hopefully.
Yeah,
Fingers
hopefully.
crossed.
So right now we're just kind of chilling and waiting till it's time to exchange our paperwork, immigration paperwork, get new room keys. But you have a lot of time in the morning.
You're not rushed for anything, which is the best part. And making sure your room attendant knows you're doing a back-to-back is also important, because they're gonna help you with moving your luggage and getting you prepared for that next room.
Yeah, so we had to meet for paperwork at 9 a.m. Luggage didn't have to be ready till noon. We were already ready. We have stuff on the hangers, so our room attendant is just gonna move our luggage, move what little we have on hangers, and have that ready for us. And Jonathan met with our room attendant this morning, our new one, and he said our room will be ready by 10:30.
Which is awesome.
It'll be amazing. So right now we're just gonna chill, wait, probably enjoy the last of the schooner before it gets full during the Panama Canal. But we're just gonna have a chill morning.
The one thing that is a little untraditional is typically there is a back-to-back lunch.
Yes.
And it's usually held in the main dining room or Chops or somewhere on the ship. But apparently Shoreside did not approve a lunch this time around. So there is no back-to-back or repeat cruiser lunch that we'll be going to. But if you are going on a back-to-back, keep an eye out, and you're not going to want to miss it. because it is a pretty decent lunch for you to enjoy, especially if you're not planning on going on tour during your back-to-back.
That was super, super easy. Now we're just kind of gathered together for the process. But we showed our old room card, we got our new room cards, and now we're just gonna chill for a little bit. New room keys, in transit. I thought it said stickers. I don't think there's stickers.
No stickers.
No stickers.
But it is interesting. So the new room key on our one-day cruise, we were in a junior suite and it was gold.
It was.
Now we're in a junior suite and it's not gold.
Not gold.
So I think it's because of the demographic of people getting on this cruise. There's more Diamond Plus and Diamond and Pinnacle than the last cruise. So now we just have the ordinary.
Ordinary. I'm okay being ordinary.
So there's not many people in the lounge right now that are doing back-to-back. Some people are getting off the ship already, but we're just going to be waiting now for customs, the debark and re-embark process. All right, so they started lining everyone up for back-to-back cruises. It's 9:50, so about 50 minutes after everybody met in the lounge. And now we are going to exit the ship, kind of, scan our cards, and then re-enter with our new cards right here in the Safari Club.
So we have debarked the ship. They scanned our card, we turned it in. We will get our old room key back later. And now we're gonna chill a moment in the Safari Lounge Club for a little while. And then I guess we'll embark and scan in with our new card.
Yeah, I think they're still waiting for everyone to get off the ship.
Oh.
So I think that's what the issue is.
Yeah, people, they want a vacation longer. Okay, so we're lining back up to check in with our new key card, and then we are free to roam the ship. It's been an hour and 15 minutes?
Yep, an hour and 15 minutes. Not too bad. They have coffee and orange juice and stuff for you to wait.
They'll let you go to the bathroom.
They let you go to the bathroom if you need to. So not too bad. And we're free to go. The one thing I did want to mention, if you had a tour, if you do have a tour, you are able to get off the ship with everyone else that's getting off. The problem is you just can't get back on until general boarding has concluded. So if you're booking a third-party tour, feel free to do it. They'll let you off the ship early, and then you can come back whenever you're ready. So here we go. Cruise number 3, starting now.
So one thing I didn't know we would get to hear being on the back-to-back is kind of the crew hype call that just happened. It was just really neat about, delivering the royal experience. And if you have any, questions you don't know the answer to, reach out to their rapid response team. And there are 1,930 passengers boarding this cruise ship today. So just kind of neat to hear the crew announcement.
Very good morning, Serenade of the Seas team, and welcome to Cologne, Panama. This is John Kelly from Houston, Texas, with important announcements for the day. On behalf of the senior management, we would like to thank each and every one of you for the fantastic job that you have done in providing the most awesome cruise experience for all of our guests. As we approach the end of this Latin season, today being the last one, we want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. It could not have been done without you. This is voyage number 129, our Panama Canal cruise, a 10-day cruise. We are expecting a total of 1,930 guests. Also, when facing a guest question or concern and you just don't know the answer, don't hesitate to call our rapid response team at 8888 and we will be ready to assist you. Let us continue to deliver our royal way values, which is, say it with me, friendly is who I am, passionate is how I live, and committed is what I do. Put on your best smile, let's greet our valued guests, and remember, always remember, we are royal. Have a fantastic day and even amazing cruise. Bye now.
All right, so that is the back-to-back process.
Super easy.
Each one was slightly different, but so easy, and the room attendants make it even easier. Honestly, this is the best part about the back-to-back. There's nobody on this ship. About 60, I would say less than 60 people were in the room. And now we have the whole ship to ourselves until they start general boarding process. So that's a wrap on this video.
Yes, thank y'all so much.
We hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some tips and tricks out of it. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a great one, everyone. Bye-bye.